Welcome to the lecture on binomial distribution. Bernoulli's theorem: probability of x in n trials is given by p of x is equal to ncx p power x q power n minus x, where p is the probability of success and q is the probability of failure, and p plus q is equal to 1. Binomial distribution: let p of x is ncx p power x q power n minus x, where x is equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. n. The corresponding values of p of x when x takes the values from 0 to n are as tabulated below. When x takes the value 0, p of x takes q power n. When x takes the value 1, p of x is nc1 q power n minus 1 of p. When x is 2, nc2 q power n minus 2 p square, and so on. When x is equal to n, since ncn will become 1 and q power will be 0, we get only p power n. Now, on taking the summation of p of x, that is q power n plus nc1 q power n minus 1 p plus nc2 q power n minus 2 p square plus etc. plus p power n gives q plus p whole power n. That gives 1 power n because p plus q is 1, that is probability of success and failure when added it will be 1. This implies summation of p of x will be equal to 1. Hence, p of x is a probability function. Coming to the mean and standard deviation of the binomial distribution, mean is given by NP. Variance is given by NPQ. And the standard deviation is given by root of NPQ. Example: find the binomial distribution which is mean 2 and variance is 4 by 3. Solution: let p of x is ncx p of x p power x q power n minus x is the binomial distribution. Given data says mean is 2 and variance is 4 by 3. According to the formula, mean is equal to NP, that is n is number and p is probability of success. But mean is given to be 2, therefore NP is equal to 2. And variance is given as 4 by 3, where formula for variance is NPQ, that is 4 by 3. Substituting NP value as 2, we get 2Q is equal to 4 by 3 or Q is equal to 2 by 3. And we know that P plus Q is always equal to 1, which implies P equal to 1 minus Q, On substituting the value of Q, we get the value of P. Therefore, NP is 2 implies N, where P value is 1 by 3 on substitution, we get N is equal to 6. That is the number of trials. Therefore, we get P of x as 6cx into 1 by 3 power x into 2 by 3 power 6 minus x. Example 2. When a coin is tossed for 4 times, find the probability of getting exactly one head and at most 3 heads. Solution. Since the coin is tossed for 4 times, this implies n is equal to 4. If a coin is tossed once, total outcome is 2. The random variable x is associated with head. Then let P be the probability of getting head. That is, P is P of H, which gives half. And let P plus Q is equal to 1. So Q, which is 1 minus P, is also equals to half. Therefore, P of x is NCx P power x into Q power n minus x. That gives P of x is 4cx into half power x into half power 4 minus x, as P and Q is half and n is equal to 4. First solution. P of exactly getting one head. That is, P of x is equal to 1, which gives, on substitution of x is equal to 1, we get 4c1 into half power 4 minus 1, that is 3. This, on simplification, we get 0.25. This is probability of getting exactly one head. Second one is probability of getting at most 3 heads. Symbolically, it can be written as P of x less than or equal to 3. Therefore, it is P of 0 plus P of 1, P of 2 plus P of 3. Substituting x value as 0, 1, 2, 3 in the formula, we get 4c0 half power 0 half power 4 plus 4c1 half power 1 half power 3, 4c2 half power 2 half power 2 and 4c3 half power 3 half, which on simplification we get 0.9375. Thank you.